Hi all, welcome to another refurbishment video. Yet another Dell Optiplex. This is the 3020 micro tower, and the current spec is it's got an Intel i3-4130, which is socket 1150 CPU, 8 gig of DDR3 1600 MHz RAM, 2 sticks of 4 gig, a DVD writer drive, and a 500 gig mechanical drive. So looking at the case, it's standard tower case. On the front we've got the DVD writer, microphone and headphone sockets, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and moving around the side and moving around the back. So on the back we've got, that's the power supply there, it's got USB 2.0, USB 3 ports, it's got a VGA output for the video and one display port output. We won't be using those because the plan is to add a graphics card, which I'll come on to in a minute, and it's got an exhaust fan, and that's the expansion sockets there. Now you can only get one side panel off, which is not a problem for what we want to do. Now to get that side panel off, there's 2 nilled screws, and they actually undo but stay in the side panel, so there's no chance of losing them. So I'll just get this panel off, and I've undone the screws, and it just pulls off like that. Now these cases, there's plenty of room to work on. It's a little bit dusty, so what I'll do is I'll clean that up. The motherboard doesn't look too bad. That's the hard drive enclosure there. Now what I'm going to do, as I mentioned in the Optiplex video prior to this, I'm taking an i5-4590 out of that, and I'm going to put it in this machine, taking the i3 out, because I think this will benefit more from a more powerful processor. So I'll put the i5-4590 in this. I'm going to add a 120 gig solid state drive and reinstall a fresh copy of Windows, and I'm going to take out that mechanical drive and add a 1 terabyte drive in there for extra storage. And I'm going to add a Evga GT740 Superclock 2 gig graphics card. Now I could probably put a slightly more powerful graphics card in here, but for games like Fortnite, Roblox, Minecraft, Team Fortress, Valorant, Apex Legends, those sort of games, that graphics card is more than adequate, and prices are still relatively high at the moment. I'm also going to add Microsoft Office as well, so this PC can be used for work as well as gaming. What I'll do then is I'll put all that together and then do another video with all the benchmarks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you've got any questions about this build, just let me know in the comments.